Hey everyone, welcome back to Sir Boat's Yacht channel. We're thrilled to take you on a journey with the Cattleya, a houseboat that's redefining luxury on the water. Whether you're a boating enthusiast or just dreaming of your next escape, this vessel has a story to tell. In this video, we'll explore its key features, stunning design, inviting interior, impressive performance, and what makes it truly one of a kind. So, grab a cozy spot, and let's set sail into the details.
Let's begin with the key features that make the Cattleya a standout. This houseboat is a masterpiece of comfort and adventure, featuring multiple decks that invite you to soak in the scenery or host a gathering with friends. The large windows are like portals to the world, flooding the interior with natural light and offering panoramic views of rivers or coastlines. A sturdy canopy provides essential shade on sunny days, while ample storage keeps your gear and supplies organized for extended voyages. Safety is a priority with solid railings and a well-designed layout, and the navigation system is intuitive, welcoming even those new to the helm. It's a vessel that seamlessly blends luxury with practicality, appealing to both seasoned sailors and curious beginners looking to dip their toes into boating. Next, the design of the Cattleya is where its beauty truly shines. Clad in a rich wooden exterior painted a deep, eye-catching red, it stands out against lush forests or serene shores. The materials are chosen for durability, ensuring it withstands the elements while preserving its elegant charm. The bow curves gently to slice through the water with grace, while the multi-level deck structure adds a dynamic and inviting silhouette. The canopy, supported by sleek metal frames, enhances the aesthetic without overwhelming it, offering both style and function. For those who appreciate a fusion of classic craftsmanship and modern innovation, the Cattleya delivers with its thoughtful curves and robust build. It's a boat that turns heads at every port, a perfect harmony of form and function. Stepping inside, the interior features of the Cattleya transform it into a floating sanctuary. The main cabin welcomes you with expansive glass panels that bathe the space in light, creating a connection with the outside world. The seating is plush and arranged to foster conversation, making it ideal for family time or a quiet evening with a book. Sleeping quarters are surprisingly spacious, offering cozy berths for a small crew or guests, with flexible layouts to suit your needs. The kitchenette is a compact marvel, equipped with a stove, sink, and clever storage for all your culinary adventures on the water. Bathrooms are fitted with modern fixtures, ensuring comfort on long journeys, while warm wood tones and soft lighting craft a homey atmosphere. It feels less like a boat and more like a retreat where you can unwind, no matter how far you roam. When it comes to performance aspects, the Cattleya offers a ride that's both reliable and enjoyable. Powered by a sturdy engine, it cruises smoothly along rivers or coastal waters at a steady pace, prioritizing stability over high-speed thrills. The hull is designed to reduce water resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency for those longer trips, which is a boon for your wallet and the environment. Steering is responsive, allowing you to navigate tight spots or docks with confidence, even in tricky conditions. The boat handles moderate waves well thanks to its solid construction, though it's best suited for calm waters rather than the open ocean. For those who love a leisurely pace with occasional bursts of power, the Cattleya strikes a perfect balance, delivering a journey that's as relaxing as it is capable. What really sets the Cattleya apart are its unique selling points, giving it an edge in the houseboat market. One highlight is its eco-friendly design, featuring solar panels on the canopy to power small appliances, a nod to the growing number of environmentally conscious boaters. The interior is highly customizable, allowing owners to tailor the space, whether adding extra seating, a workspace, or personal touches, to match their lifestyle. Its ability to blend into natural surroundings, with quiet operation and earthy tones, makes it a dream for ecotourism or wildlife spotting adventures. Additionally, the Cattleya comes with a reputation for excellent customer support from its builders, ensuring you're never left adrift with questions or maintenance needs. These elements combine to make it not just a boat, but a lifestyle choice for those who value adventure with a sustainable twist. For anyone considering the Cattleya, its versatility is a major draw. It's perfect for weekend getaways, extended vacations, or even living aboard part-time, adapting to the needs of families, couples, or solo travelers. The user-friendly controls and stable design make it an excellent entry point for new boaters, while experienced sailors will appreciate the customization options and durable build. It aligns beautifully with the trend of slow travel, where the journey itself becomes the destination. Imagine gliding past lush landscapes, sipping a drink on deck as the stars emerge. This boat makes that vision a reality, offering a peaceful escape from the hustle of daily life. Maintenance is another practical aspect, and the Cattleya is designed with ease in mind.
The materials resist wear and clean up effortlessly, while the engine requires standard upkeep that most owners can handle or arrange locally. Storage solutions keep clutter at bay, and the open deck layout simplifies routine checks. Its fuel efficiency and sturdy construction suggest long-term savings, though exact costs depend on usage and location. It's a boat that rewards care with years of dependable service, making it a smart investment for water lovers.
To wrap up, the Cattleya from Sir Boat's Yacht channel is a fantastic choice for anyone seeking a stylish and sustainable waterborne escape. Its key features offer a mix of luxury and practicality. The design blends classic elegance with modern flair, the interior invites relaxation, and the performance ensures a smooth ride. The unique selling points, from eco-friendly touches to customization, set it apart in its class. Whether you're dreaming of a peaceful retreat or an adventurous cruise, this boat has the heart to make it happen. Let us know in the comments, what would you do with a Cattleya? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more yacht reviews and adventures. Until next time, keep exploring the high seas with Sir Boat's Yacht channel. Fair winds, everyone.